Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi guys, my name is Shivuri. The name of my company is Inneroots Essential. It started in 2023. It's based in Mukopane, in Tamahansi. I started my business because I was unemployed. I'm a chemical engineering graduate who stayed 2 years with being unemployed. So I decided to do something to earn an income. I manufacture hair products, being a hair growth oil, hair break cream, a clarifying shampoo, and a deep conditioner. Our products are available nationwide through courier services. What makes my product different is because I use 100% organic ingredients and you see results in 2 to 6 weeks. On WhatsApp, you can get me on 071 50 624. On Facebook, you can get me on Inneroots Essentials. On Instagram, you can get me on amo_Vilma. Hi, my name is Amo and I'm a township entrepreneur.